guys, this is Khushbu Singhvi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm reviewing for you all the entire Anvea Living line for curly hair. So these Anvea Living curly hair products have been in the market for a while now and they are entirely CG friendly, and I've been trying these products for the last 2 months almost. So if you want to know what did I like and what did I not like about these products, keep on watching this video. So they basically have come up with 3 products. The first one is a curls cleansing shampoo. The second one we have is the ultra moisturizing conditioner, and the third one we have is the curl defining anti-frizz mist. So these are the 3 products basically which Anvea has got. So they do not have a gel which I really miss in this line, or a deep conditioner, and about all of that we will talk further in the video. So let me start with a few common things about these products before we move ahead. So the first thing is about the packaging. So the shampoo and conditioner comes in a plastic bottle which is quite sturdy, convenient to use. Both of these are recyclable. My only problem is that they could have had some better quality pumps. They are not the best quality pumps. They are okay to use, but they might be a trouble if you want to travel with them. Coming to the mist, it comes in a glass bottle, which is a nice thick glass bottle with a spray nozzle, and this is very convenient to use. The nozzle is of amazing quality, works great, and I really like the packaging of the mist. So the good thing is that all these 3 bottles are recyclable, so you can recycle them, and of course they are cruelty free as well. So talking about the price of the product, the shampoo and the conditioner retails for rupees 995 for 250 ml each, and the mist retails for rupees 795. So I do feel that the pricing is a little on the higher side, but the good thing is that these products are normally on sale on their website. If you buy this whole combo, you can get it for 1800 and something. If you buy them individually, they retail for rupees 700 around after sale, and sometimes they have better sales which you can look out for. I also put a discount code in the description. It's not an affiliated one, it's just for you guys to have a discount if you wish to buy these products. So I'll put it in the description. You can check whenever you get a better deal. So now let's quickly get into the review of these products. I'll also be giving you a little demo of how I use them. So let's start with the shampoo first. Now talking about the shampoo, this is definitely my most favorite product among all of these 3, and I really like this one. This is basically a mild shampoo which is perfect for your everyday use. Even if you wash your hair twice a week or thrice a week, you can definitely use this one. It is not going to dry out your curls. I love the way it works on my hair. It cleans effectively and it does not dry out my hair at all, which is amazing. You can use it with your normal everyday dirt or light oil, but in case if you have heavily oiled your hair, then I do not recommend using this shampoo because it is a mild shampoo and it might not wash out all the oil, or you might have to use it 2 times or more to wash out heavy oil. So I do not recommend using this with heavy oil, but otherwise it just works perfectly. This basically is like a translucent shampoo of medium consistency. I need to use around 3 to 4 pumps for my entire hair length, and that is enough. I don't need to use more. I prefer not to dilute this shampoo. It works better that way because it's a mild one, but if you wish, you can definitely dilute it and use it. Coming to the foaming capacity of it, it doesn't foam a lot. In fact, it foams very mildly, but it cleans effectively, so there's nothing to worry about. But if you are somebody who like a lot of foam in the shampoo, then it's not going to foam a lot. Let's quickly see how I use this shampoo. I need around 2 pumps for my scalp and 2 pumps for my hair strands. Because it's a mild shampoo, I prefer using it separately for my strands as well. I believe that this bottle is going to last me at least 20 to 25 washes. Also, if you want any shampoo to clean effectively, please give it enough time and massage and scrub your scalp nicely. Coming to the fragrance of the shampoo, it is on the stronger side. I think in fact all the 3 products have a little strong fragrance, but the good thing about the shampoo is that the fragrance does not linger on your hair. So if you just wash it, it just goes away with that. All in all, this is an amazing mild shampoo. If you are looking for something which is mild and does not dry out your curls, you will definitely like this one. Now let's move on to our next product, which is the Anvea Ultra Moisturizing Conditioner. Now this one is my least favorite in this entire lineup. I do not really like this as a conditioner, but I'll tell you how I love it. But wait, but talking about as a conditioner, because it is sold as a conditioner, I do not like it because it has zero slip. It does not have slip, alright? So when you apply it on your hair, first of all, it just gets absorbed so quickly, so you do not understand how much to apply and you end up using a lot of it. And to detangle your hair with this one is very difficult because it does not have slip. So I will highly recommend not to try detangling your hair with this. If you're probably a wavy or somebody with loose pattern curl and you leave this conditioner in your hair for like 5 to 10 minutes, you'll probably be able to detangle it. But if you have curls like me, like tighter curls, or if you have very thick hair, then you'll definitely not be able to detangle your hair with this one. Now coming to the moisture part of it, I feel it's moisturizing enough. For a conditioner, it's decently moisturizing and I don't have complaints on that part of it, but I only wish it had some good slip. Again, coming to the fragrance, this also have a pretty strong fragrance, but again, it does not linger on in your hair. Some people might really like how this smell. So of course, smell is something very subjective, but it is on a stronger side. If you have a sensitive nose, then you will definitely find it strong. Let me quickly show you how I use this conditioner. It's a nice thick creamy conditioner and I need around 5 to 6 pumps on one side of my hair. So the thing with this conditioner is it gets absorbed very quickly in your hair, so you might end up using more, but 5 to 6 pumps will actually be enough. Whenever you're applying a conditioner, please ensure that you are applying it at least 2 to 3 inches away from your scalp, and also ensure that all your hair strands are coated. And once you apply the conditioner, let it sit in your hair for at least 5 to 6 minutes before you start detangling your hair. This is true with every conditioner. Okay, now I already told you how this works as a conditioner, but this works beautifully as a leave-in. I mean, if this product was sold as a leave-in, it would have probably been a hit. In fact, even for this wash day, I have used this conditioner as leave-in. I had used the Anvea shampoo, then I used a different deep conditioner, and then I used this as a leave-in, and then I followed it up with a gel. I have used this as a leave-in multiple times now and it has not disappointed me, but as a conditioner, no, I do not recommend using this as a conditioner because the main thing, that is slip, it totally lacks it. Now let's move on to the final product of the line, which is the Anvea Mist. Now this is also a pretty decent product. I do not recommend using this as a leave-in because it doesn't do much. But now if suppose I'm already using a leave-in or a cream and I want to add up to it, I can definitely layer up with this. Then it works beautifully. But using this by itself as a leave-in is not enough for my hair. But why I like this product is because it works beautiful for refreshes. I don't know if you guys can see here, but it's only this much remaining in this. I've finished more than half the bottle. So I would suggest do not waste this product on your wash day as a leave-in, because A, you will need to use a lot of product and it will not be enough. In fact, just try using it for refreshes. Let me just quickly show you. Suppose this is your hair. So how I refresh with this is I just take this bottle and I directly go ahead and spray like this. Okay, and then just spray little on your hands. Don't take dry hands, and just with praying hands method go over your hair. That is all you need to do. Now see, even in this part of the hair, you can just spray like that and then just take your hand over like this. Frizz that was here have kind of settled down. So these are just my day 2 hair. So I don't have a lot of frizz yet. In case you have more frizz in your hair and you want to use this for refreshes, what you can do is just spray it all over your hair, how I was doing right now, and then just wet your palms, okay? And then with wet palms, just go over with praying hands method, and that's it. So if you have been looking for a product for easy freshes, I think this mist is a great choice. I personally really enjoy using this for refreshes. Again, this does have a strong smell and it kind of lingers on your hair for a while. If you are somebody who have a problem with strong fragrance, you might have a problem with this one. But apart from that, I think it's a beautiful product for refreshes. Again, I'm saying I do not prefer using this as a leave-in. Yeah, So these were the 3 products from the Anvea line. Now the thing is, I definitely recommend you using a gel after these products. If you are a CG beginner, if you are starting a curly hair journey, and if at all you are planning to buy this lineup, please buy a gel as well, because none of these products give any hold. Yeah, the mist can give you a slight hold, especially when you're using it for refreshes, but if you use it on wet hair, you will not see any hold with this one. So I definitely recommend using a gel along with this line, how I am using. Without a gel, it cannot hold your curls. Your curls will become a puff ball by day 1 evening or day 2. So I highly recommend you using this with a gel, especially if you have curly hair like me. And if you're a beginner and you're planning to buy this line, so then you can definitely try in some DIY deep conditioning whenever you are doing deep conditioning, or buy a deep conditioner individually, because this line doesn't come up with a deep conditioner. Yeah, apart from that, I've already told you how I like these products. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope it was helpful and you got an idea which Anvea product works how, and it will help you choose the right product for you. If you have any other question about any of these products, please feel free to put it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching.